Are you an urban dweller with limited gardening space? Rooftop gardening might be the perfect solution for you. While many vegetables thrive in direct sunlight, there are also plenty of options that happily embrace the sheltered environment of rooftop gardens with partial shade. Here's a guide to some vegetables that not only tolerate shade but actually flourish in it. Leafy greens. Lettuce. This versatile and fast-growing green is well suited for partial shade. It appreciates cooler conditions and can be continuously harvested for a steady supply. Spinach. Another leafy green that performs well in shaded areas. Spinach is rich in nutrients and requires minimal sunlight. Herbs. Mint. Known for its robust growth, mint is a shade-loving herb that adds a refreshing flavor to beverages and dishes. Be cautious though, as it can be quite invasive. Cilantro. Partial shade helps cilantro thrive, and it's a fantastic addition to various cuisines. Root vegetables. Radishes. These quick-growing root vegetables tolerate partial shade and can be harvested in as little as 3 weeks. Beets. While beets prefer full sun, they can still produce well in partially shaded conditions. They offer colorful and nutritious roots and greens. Brassicas. Kale. A hardy and nutrient-dense green, kale can handle some shade, making it a great choice for rooftop gardens with limited sunlight. Broccoli. While broccoli prefers full sun, it can still be grown successfully in areas with dappled sunlight. Alliums, chives. These onion relatives are excellent for rooftop gardens, as they tolerate shade and add a mild onion flavor to various dishes. Garlic. While garlic bulbs benefit from full sun, they can still grow in areas with some shade. Salad greens. Arugula. This peppery green thrives in cooler temperatures and can handle some shade, making it a perfect addition to your rooftop garden salads. When planning your rooftop garden, consider the specific conditions of your location. While these vegetables can tolerate partial shade, it's essential to provide as much sunlight as possible for optimal growth. Additionally, using reflective surfaces or light-colored containers can help maximize available sunlight. With a thoughtful selection of shade-tolerant vegetables, your rooftop garden can become a lush and productive space, providing fresh and homegrown produce even in urban environments. Happy gardening!